Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the details of what I believe to be the best Kohler shower drain on the market. The Kohler K-9136-BN square design tile and shower drain. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or building a new one, choosing the right shower drain is crucial for both functionality and aesthetics. Let's start with an overview of the Kohler K-9136-BN. This shower drain is designed with a vibrant brushed nickel finish, not only ensuring durability but also adding a touch of elegance to your bathroom decor. It features a square design with a tile-line installation, blending seamlessly with your tiled shower floor. The reversible collar accommodates various tile thicknesses, making installation hassle-free. Here are some key features that make this Kohler shower drain stand out. Crafted from brass and PVC, this drain is built to last, resisting corrosion and tarnishing over time. The removable square-shaped grid plate allows for effortless cleaning, ensuring hygienic conditions in your shower. It offers both 2 and 3 PVC connections, catering to different plumbing setups with ease. Now, let's talk about the benefits you can expect from using the Kohler K-9136-BN in your bathroom. Thanks to its durable materials, this drain promises longevity without compromising on quality. The vibrant brushed nickel finish not only resists tarnishing but also complements modern bathroom aesthetics beautifully. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or relying on professional installation, the Kohler K-9136-BN offers the flexibility you need. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a shower drain that combines durability, ease of maintenance, and timeless design, the Kohler K-9136-BN square design tile and shower drain is an excellent choice. It's no surprise why it's Amazon's choice for bathtub drains by Kohler. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.